Here's a great deal on a 2007 Infiniti M35X. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.